Hello YouTube. Just a quick update as I had one of the modules in my pack go sad last night after a deep discharge during the day. Forgot to turn the solar back on. Oops. Anyway, in the process of a battery autopsy here, checking voltage at the terminals was about 90 millivolts. And unfortunately, you can just about see most of these cells are about 0.3 volts. There's one that's almost dead short. 0.3 volts, 0.06 volts. You get the idea. No cell is higher than about half a volt. So I guess I know now why this module was going low voltage before the other modules in the pack. Oh well. Replaced this one in the string with the actual old pack 3, I think it was, and now it works a lot better. It's at 4.1 volts rather than 0.01 volts. Anyway,